Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has launched antiviral drug Favipiravir to be sold under the brand name of FabiFlu for the treatment of patients with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. FabiFlu is the first oral Favipiravir approved medication for the treatment of COVID-19, the company said in a statement after it received manufacturing and marketing approval from the Drugs Controller General of India on Friday. The drug called FabiFlu will be marketed in some of the North Indian states very soon. This approval comes at a time when COVID-19 cases in India are spiraling like never before, putting tremendous pressure on our healthcare system, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Chairman and Managing Director Glenn Saldanha said. Let's look at the important features and some information about this medicine. The medicine has produced up to 88% improvement in mild to moderate coronavirus patients during clinical trials, making it the first oral antiviral drug available under emergency use authorization to treat COVID-19 patients in India. The drug will also be available across the country by early next week, the company said on Saturday. The drug that has been indigenously manufactured will be available for sale both in hospitals and retail pharmacies and is to be given under strict medical supervision. It is not an over-the-counter drug and its sale will only be allowed on possession of a valid medical prescription by a doctor. The drug will be sold in a pack of 34 oral tablets of 200 mg each at a cost of Rs 3,500 and the cost of the 14-day treatment will be an estimated Rs 14,000. Each tablet of this drug of 200 mg will cost Rs 103. The medicine can be administered to coronavirus patients between the age group of 18 to 75. The company has already started the production of the drug in some states that are closer to pharma company's manufacturing unit in Himachal Pradesh. The drug will be rolled out by the end of this week and across India it will be supplied by early next week. Favipiravir has been used in Russia, Japan and China to treat such patients and has proved successful according to the company. The drug, however, is not recommended for people suffering from severe kidney or liver ailments, pregnant and lactating women. Favipiravir can be used in COVID-19 patients with comorbid conditions such as diabetes and heart disease with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. It offers a rapid reduction in viral load within 4 days and provides faster symptomatic and radiological improvement. Most importantly, Favipiravir has shown clinical improvement up to 88% in COVID-19 mild to moderate patients, the company has said. Apart from FabiFlu, the injectable antiviral drug Remdesivir has also been part of India's COVID-19 strategy. In a significant development, India's top drug regulator has given nod to two domestic pharmaceutical companies, Cipla and Hetero, for marketing authorization of antiviral drug Remdesivir only for restricted emergency use on COVID-19 patients with moderate disease, for example those who are on oxygen, a senior government official told news agency ANI.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.